You were going to talk about a model kit. Not only we talking about
put together myself, which is the 148 Airfix Mustang.
That's an annoying noise.
Airfix Mustang with an Australian scheme, which is the one I built.
This looks really old, this kit. Is it any good? How does it go together?
It's okay. It's okay.
Yeah.
It goes together.
Does it need much fettling?
Only on the tail.
Yeah.
Only on the tail.
Is it because it's like buckled or bowed or?
It just sticks out a little bit.
Yeah.
Some of the pieces, there's a little bit of a, it's just a bit over-engineered in my opinion.
Really?
Yes.
I'm just coming off to get a cutty stabby thingy.
A cutty stabby thingy.
Well, I was going to open it.
And then...
Somebody's glued it up.
Somebody's
tried to stop me from getting in the box. I'll show them.
It's probably Airfix.
I'll show them.
But once everything else goes together, I'll bring it in next week and we can have a look at it. The one that I've done.
Australian decals. Australia didn't fly these, did they?
They did fly them.
They did?
They did.
Clearly, if they got Australian decals.
The one that was based in Italy.
Oh, the Italians.
Italian. So.
Oh, it's got the good quality cardiograph.
Decals.
I'm just making it up, is it?
I believe it is.
It's the only stickers that I know.
Yeah, it's cartograph.
It is cartograph.
Cartograph.
I heard Italian and I heard plain, so I just assumed.
Yeah, cartograph, don't worry.
Cartograph. Best decals in the business.
Absolutely.
Do you love them too?
I do.
Better than Tamir even, right?
Much Tamir.
Really?
Decals are not good.
They're not good?
No, mate. They're thick. They are thick.
Really? Girthy.
Girthy.
Here we go. What's in the book?
What's in the book? This is what I'm talking about.
Is it a good book?
So this is the entire length of the fuselage.
Yeah.
Is going to be our rear wheel well right all the way up into our cockpit.
Yep.
And that can cause a tiny little issue if you don't get it aligned correctly. You can have a bit of a gap with the tail.
Okay.
You just need to shave it off and click it together though.
Bit of shaving.
Bit of shaving.
Yeah, bit of work. We got the 9 steps equipment for that. So you can go, where is it? Wheels up, wheels down.
Yeah, you can do wheels up, wheels down, bombs, fuel tanks. I think that was on it. Bombs and fuel tanks. Yep, fuel tanks and bombs. And
talking about bombs and fuel tanks, we got a kit back in the other day that's got beer kegs on it.
Yes.
Hey?
The Spitfire.
Spitfire.
The 1-24 Airfix Spitfire.
And that comes with a pint glass. It
does come with a glass. It's awesome. And it comes with a little beer barrels under the wings.
Yeah.
During the Normandy invasion of Normandy, they used to drop them off in beer because the troops needed beer.
Need beer. Tastes like home. But it all looks very straightforward. Good kit.
Yeah.
That comes with a pilot.
It does come with a pilot.
That's pretty cool.
I love the face on him. Look at that.
Yeah.
Look at that little face. Looks like a frog.
What can you tell me about him? Does he have a name? Is he a famous pilot or is he just a pilot?
I think it's actually the artist that does all of the Airfix instructions.
He puts himself in there?
I think he puts himself in there.
Does he?
Yeah.
He's not much of a narcissist,
I think
is
that's what I've heard.
He loves it.
But I just call them Bob.
Bob?
I just call all the pilots Bob.
Why not?
Yeah, oh, look at that.
We got some colour paint schemes.
Colour paint schemes, not grey.
Most of them are grey, aren't they?
Most of them are grey. Well, they're getting better now, but having the colour ones is fantastic, especially if something like this. See, after the exhaust, that subtle grey following. If that was if the whole thing was in grey, you might miss that.
You might miss that.
Yeah.
But that's a weathering, isn't it? That's not really a...
No, that's a plate.
Is that a plate?
And then there would be the exhaust coming off that as well.
Okay,
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so there's the Southern Cross, which this is the scheme that I did. This
one.
Yeah. Which was a nice little, tidy scheme. Quite a tidy scheme.
Tidy?
Yeah.
Nice.
Probably didn't use the right yellow, though.
Why? What did you use?
No, it was too bright. I'm not happy with it.
Humbrol?
No, I used...
You don't use Humbrol? You don't use Humbrols?
For weathering, I do.
Do you?
Yeah.
There you go.
Wet Humbrol enamels.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good for weathering.
Really?
Yeah.
There you go.
We'll do a live Humbrol weathering.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right, lock it in.
Lock it in.
I'm keen to learn. And we've got sprues. Sprues are sprues.
Sprues are sprues. You know what's in there. There's an aeroplane in the bag.
You just have to rattle it hard enough and it comes together, right?
That's a Tamir kit. Yeah.
There you go, mate. Well, I think we've ticked all the boxes. You nearly got away without talking about a kit.
Nearly.
Anyway, but this is one that you've built.
Yep.
So
I'll bring my built one in next week.
You're bringing everything in next week.
I'll bring in the Expo and I'll bring in the Mustang. It'll be good.
Don't leave yourself short. Then we can do the following week. It'll be out of things to bring in.
I'll bring another kit in.
We'll sort it out.
Yeah. I'll bring something.